Today on PowerNation Daily, why the Ford sedans are dead, a guy that got a wake-up call at the gym, truckers came together to save a guy from jumping off an overpass, the Mustang hybrid is official, and a guy that actually managed to take a Chevy Cavalier and turn it into something to look at. That all happens right here, right now on PowerNation Daily. What's up, everybody? I'm Gannon Pritchett. This is PowerNation Daily. We have some good news, so let's get going with it. If you're a Ford fan looking for a new sedan, you better look in a different direction because, well, it's not going to be there in the future. Ford said last week it's ending most of its North American car lineup as part of a plan to, well, save money and make the company more competitive in a market that continues to move towards trucks and SUVs. They're even getting rid of the Mustang. Just kidding, that's gonna be around still. According to The Drive, the automaker will be redirecting some resources used on sedans for building a new lineup of authentic off-road SUVs designed with real capability in mind. Let's just hope the gas prices don't go up, otherwise Ford will be in trouble. Just throwing that out there. This includes getting rid of all cars during the next 4 years except the Mustang and the compact Focus crossover vehicle. CEO Jim Hackett said the decision was due to declined demand and profitability, which means Ford will no longer sell the Fusion, Taurus, C-Max hybrid, which I don't even know what a C-Max is, and Fiesta in the US, Canada, and Mexico. Seriously, what's a C-Max? Sometimes it's hard to get in the gym and motivated, right? But when you have a car blasting through the window like this Tesla, well, you get motivated real quick because this guy nearly got hit. A woman was trying to park her Tesla Model X when she claimed she hit the brakes, but the car kept accelerating, probably because she hit the gas. And since electric cars have instantaneous torque, it didn't take long for her to go from outside to inside the building. And no, the car wasn't in autonomous mode. At least she said it wasn't. Truck drivers came together to save a life. A line of 13 truckers created a wall on I-696 in Metro Detroit to help stop a man from jumping off an overpass. Chris Harrison, who was part of the trucker wall, posted on the Twisted Truckers page. He said that this took place last week and it started with one truck before other truckers joined in. It's pretty cool. The cops waved 6 or 7 of the trucks through on each side of the interstate. The Drive reports that the man was talked down from the ledge, which is a good thing. It's a nice thing to see people come together in situations like this. For every trucker out there, we applaud you. That's awesome. It's been officially announced the Mustang hybrid will debut in 2020. Motor Trend reports the pony car will be an American rear-drive coupe with a hybrid powertrain. Yippee! As far as power goes, Ford claims the hybrid will be more efficient than the V8, obviously it's a hybrid, but with more power, by putting an electric motor between the transmission and gas engine. There's speculation it will house the EcoBoost 2.3-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. There's also a possibility it could be a plug-in hybrid. What are your thoughts? And do you think the V8 is going away? This could be weird. All right, the Chevy Cavalier isn't exactly the car you think about in your dreams, but this guy found a way to get people to pay attention to his Chevy Cavalier. I don't even know what to even say about this, but hey, buddy, glad you're having fun. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily. I'm Gannon Pritchett. Let us know what you want to see on PowerNationTV.com, and we'll see you guys real soon.